guys, my name is Prachi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very simple eggless recipe for plum cakes. That's Christmas special rum and raisins. I'm going to use alcohol for the recipe today. Later I'm going to also share how to make a non-alcoholic cake as well. So today let's get started with a plum cake. That's rum and raisins Christmas special. So the alcohol that I use is Old Monk, and this is like my second bottle which is just about to get over. So I pre-soak my nuts approximately 2 months before Christmas. That's totally optional, you guys. You can even soak them for a week longer. Like today, even if you like soak it today, I'm sure by Christmas it's going to be ready. Minimum of 4-5 days is also fine. Now, how does this helps us? All your fruits or nuts, जितने भी आपके dry fruits और nuts होते हैं, जिसकी list में mention करूँगी, आपको वो soak करके रखना है. What happens is, overnight all the alcohol is absorbed in those dried fruits, which makes it very rich and alcoholic and boozy when you're consuming it. So now let's get started. Already discussed about pans in the previous video of baking. Now I'm going to use a 6-inch tin. This is perfect for a half kg plum cake. So when I pour the batter into this, I'm going to even measure it and pour it. So for a half kilo, आधे किलो के लिए ये tin perfect है. So you can go for this. Now a 7-inch tin or an 8-inch tin or a 9-inch tin is perfect for 1 kg of cake. Choose your tin perfectly according to the batter you're making. Also, I'm going to tell you the batter which I've made today for the plum cakes is actually for multiple orders. However, I'm going to write the recipe for one tin, that is 9-inch, which is almost 1 kg of a plum cake in the caption or description below or somewhere on the screen. So you can divide it or multiply it according to the need you have. Other packaging option I have is a tea cake packaging. So now this is very compact. It's a perfect gifting hamper. The good part is इसमें directly bake कर सकते हो. With the cake inside, with the tin, with the cover up and your labeling and packaging, this will turn out super. So now if you want to buy this, you can take a picture of this or a screenshot from the screen and find it on Amazon or any other online portal around you in your country. If you want, I can also post a link for this where I have bought it from. As I said, I stay in Dubai, so for me getting things in Dubai is from a little different portals every time, and I opt for everything from a different website. I'm going to attach the link if you want it for the same. Okay, now let's get started.
First, take a bowl and place a sieve on top. Begin by sieving your all-purpose flour or AP flour thoroughly to ensure there are no lumps. This step is crucial. Skipping it can result in clumps, making your batter very uneven and clumsy. तो ये step करना तो बिल्कुल मत भूलना. Next, add all the other dry ingredients to the flour. That is cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, cardamom powder, which is elaichi powder, baking soda, baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix so everything is evenly incorporated. In a separate bowl, add all the wet ingredients. Start with hot water, then mix in brown sugar and sunflower oil. Stir the mixture well by hand and then whisk it further with a beater or a whisker. Add vanilla essence and whisk again until everything is very smooth and well combined. Now, slowly incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Avoid using a whisk at this stage as it can create excess bubbles and we don't need that. In another bowl, take out alcohol-soaked dry fruits. Use a sieve to drain any excess liquid, ensuring no extra rum or spices remains in there. Gradually add the soaked fruits and nuts to your batter. Meanwhile, don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees for like 10 minutes. While your oven preheats, make sure that the soaked fruits and nuts are incorporated into the batter using cut and fold method to evenly distribute everything without making it overmixed. Pour the batter into your prepared tins. I used a 6-inch tin for a 500 gram cake and tea cake molds for a 300 gram portion. Tap the tins gently to release any air bubbles formed in it. You have to top it with some dry fruits and nuts to garnish it and it will look very pretty. Believe me, ये ज़रूर करना. जब केक बेक होकर आता है ना, the look turns out really nice. Bake in a preheated oven for like 55 to 1 hour. I chose 55 minutes because that suits my oven. In case if it's not even baked for like 1 hour, you can even opt to choose further few minutes until unless you see that the batter is completely cooked by poking it with a toothpick.
Okay guys, so I have demolded the cakes and I will just show you. So I am preparing this for an order, but look at this. Aren't they pretty and gorgeous? Like, wow, I'm happy with it. What about you? And this was the another one, and now this is the one I'm going to test. And मेरे में बिल्कुल patience नहीं था. मैंने already आधा काट के खा लिया है. Because it was, when it was baking, no, जब ये oven से निकला था, it was really very hot. And flavor of rum and dry spices, cinnamon and you know whatnot, it was just so tempting that I had zero patience. So again, I'm just happy eating it again. So like, I will cut this and show you. You can see it's cut so smoothly. This is the texture, what it looks like. If you guys can see, it's soft, it's moist. This is exactly how it has to be, guys. मैं तो और छोटा पीस ले रही हूँ because मैंने बहुत खा लिया. So yeah, hands down, I feel I'm really good at baking. Wow, I should get an award. It's really good. Really, really, really good. जाओ यार, अब बना के ये रेसिपी ट्राई करो. Easy है बनाना. बिल्कुल बहाने मत मारना. बिल्कुल मत सोचना you will order from somewhere. मुझसे करो ऑर्डर करना है तो. But it is so easy to make if you really want to bake at home. End of solution. घर पे बनाओ, रेसिपी कॉपी करो. If you have any doubts, any queries, any concerns, you can contact me via YouTube, you can message me on Instagram, you can message me on Facebook. I am there to help you out with every solution to it. Now I'm going to drizzle them with some icing sugar and do the packing part.
I've just unboxed all the Christmas cakes and now I am adding the final touches. First, I'm dusting them with a generous layer of icing sugar to create that snowy, Christmassy vibe, something we all need a little bit during this season. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of rum and a few extra drops to soak the cakes further, giving them that rich, boozy flavor we all love in Christmas cake. It's time for packaging. I'm wrapping the tea cakes beautifully, making sure the presentation is as attractive as the cakes themselves. After all, packaging plays a big role. What do you say? It's a first impression and it's so satisfying to see someone light up when they receive something that looks so thoughtful and festive. So let's make every gift feel extra special this Christmas.
Hi guys, so that was the easiest recipe I shared with all of you. It's one of the most easy recipes to make a Christmas plum cake. I've also posted another videos which are in shorts and reels all over Instagram and YouTube, sharing how to make a non-alcoholic cake too, how to even soak the dry nuts and fruits in alcohol and in orange juice. It's the easiest possible recipe. I'm telling you, you guys should bake a cake for yourself. If there's any doubt, I'm right here for you. You can message me on Instagram, Facebook or on YouTube and I'll be answerable to all your questions. This is the plum cake that I made today in the recipe. I have cling wrapped this because this goes for an order. I can like literally smell this. So wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you all and stay tuned, and please don't forget to follow my page, subscribe to my channel for more recipes, especially eggless. Love you, bye.